GameOn is the digital platform that brings the best out of every learner. It allows schools to gamify learning experiences for kids, encouraging engagement, interaction, and motivation to attain the best learning outcomes. Teachers can set assignments, projects, and tasks, administer club activities, advise students and parents, keep track of all schools' progress seamlessly without ever needing to leave. By forming a golden triangle between teachers, parents and students, GameOn offers a hands-on experience in learning and 360-degree student management seamlessly all the time. Parents feel fully engaged and teachers will save precious time while investing in kids' futures. And because of GameOn's ultra-fun gamified interface and easy-to-use structure, the school leadership team can foster positive competition among the whole cohort by creating rich and exciting learning journeys and reward schemes. GameOn architecture allows learners profiling and hyper-personalized journeys for each kid. Students design their avatars in our game studio, earn experience and game points throughout the whole term, get rewarded with badges and compete in leaderboards. GameOn sits on top of all MIS, LMS and content management solutions to act as a gamified gateway to all school resources. Because GameOn connects the whole school ecosystem, everyone is happy, engaged and well informed. Schools prosper with GameOn. Let us show you how.